Welcome to Science Hub MM. Today, we're doing a physics trick that looks like magic. We're going to put out a burning candle using something you can't see and without touching the flame or using water. We call this the ice that burns trick. For this amazing demonstration, all you need is a clear jar or glass, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, vinegar, acetic acid, and a small lit candle. First, place a few tablespoons of baking soda into the bottom of your jar. Next, pour in about an inch of vinegar. Watch what happens. The mixture is bubbling violently. This is a chemical reaction creating carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Now, here's the secret. Carbon dioxide gas is heavier than the air around us. Because it's heavy, it stays trapped inside the jar, pushing the regular air out. We now have a jar full of invisible gas. Time for the demonstration. Gently tilt the jar and pour the invisible gas over the flame, as if you were pouring water. Do not let the liquid spill out. And there it is. The fire goes out instantly. This isn't magic, it's basic science. To keep a fire burning, you need three things: heat, fuel, the wax, and oxygen. When we poured the heavy CO2 gas over the flame, it acted like a blanket. It pushed all the oxygen away from the candle, breaking the fire triangle and stopping the burn. From two common ingredients, we created a powerful, invisible fire extinguisher. A fantastic demonstration of chemistry and physics at work. If you love simple, powerful science like this, hit the like button and subscribe to Science Hub MM. Don't miss our next experiment.